Hello, how do? The dreaded day tomorrow that I think every person in one of these old vehicles dreads, the MOT. I've gone round everything. Everything seems to work okay. Well, you know what they're like. They might find someone. Anyway, the problem I am having is the reverse light. But I'm going to go through this with you, and then right. So first of all, I'm going to take off the it's fucking camera. Right, I'm going to take off the cover and see if it's the bulb. If there is a bulb. There we are. Right, so we'll get into it. Being a silly Billy. Bloody great there, and I'm taking screws out. Ah, right. Now we know. Good state. Watch this. Look at that. It's just brittle. Right, it's a case now of, oh dear, MOT tomorrow. I'm going to get those done by tomorrow, am I? This off here. Right. Looks like there's no way on earth I'm going to be able to fix this. Right, I'm going to contact Coastal. See what they have to say. Been in touch with Coastal Motorhomes. Apparently you don't need reverse light for the MOT. Don't come under it. Apparently it's from 2009. Anything from there on, that comes into the MOT. So it's off to the MOT station. Well, oh God. It passed but it failed. Underneath, absolutely superb, bushes okay, everything went fine. He commented how clean it were actually, so credit to you, Terry. Yeah, it failed on dip beam, one light. So it's a case of a bulb. Where is it? It's here somewhere. Oh dear me. Yeah, it's official. Headlight not working on dip beam offside. Even he was gutted. He said, I don't believe that after all that. He said, I can't believe how clean it is, etc. And it failed on that. Right, so needless to say, I'm going to have to do that. So follow me. And it couldn't be in the awkwardest place. Look at all them picking wires. And that tray there, that's going to be in bloody way, isn't it? The battery tray. Right, so I'm going to try and get that out. Apparently, this rubber just comes off once you take them off, and then the rubber comes off and the bulbs are back. So, hey, I wonder if this will work if I put that on there like that. Oh, look at that. Isn't that grand? Right, so as far as I know, that just comes off, which it does. And oh, this is going to be a right bastard to get back on, isn't it? Yeah, there's the bulb. There is some clips there, look. I don't know if you can see them or not. I'll push that out a bit more like that. There. Yeah, I bet they're buggers to get back on. In fact, I bet they're buggers to get off. I'm gonna have to put my glasses on, dude. Yeah, he did say there were a bit of play in the offside. Oh, there's some little dudes there, look. Case of them. There. Well, that's going to be a bastard, that. Oh, don't tell Bob with fingers the size of bloody tree trunks. Oh, there we go, look. Happy days are here again. Tra-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Oh. Come on, you little shit. There we go. One bulb. And you know, I can't see where it's gone. It ain't blown. It's not blown. Do you know, it looks brand new. Isn't that clean? What I'm going to do, I'm going to swap sides. I'm going to swap it for this side and see what it's like. I've took the near side one out and swapped it with this one. But the only problem is now it's sun shining that much, I'm not going to be able to see it. So yeah, in case just put this one back and maybe have a look tonight. Well, I'm going to get a bulb anyway. In fact, while I'm at it, I shall see what type it is. Yeah. H4. So get this bad boy back in here. In fact, I could leave it like this, couldn't I? Just take it. Oh, you bugger ball. Oh, shit and sugar bread and butter. Ah! Ah! Touching bloody allergen now, aren't I? Right, we'll just see. I don't know if you can see this. You can't, can you? But the dip beam's working on the near side. And that's like a side light. That is brighter than that. But if I put main beam on, it's terrible, isn't it? Only time I don't want sunshine and it's here. Put main beam. I'll turn him off. Silly bastard. There, they're alright. That's on main beam. But if I put it up to dip beam, yeah, it's a wire. It's a wire at this side. Something wrong somewhere. Right. As I say, what I've done, I've changed the bulbs from here, obviously, to there. Yeah. So it's one of the wires at the back, so I'll do have a good look at him and see what the situation is. Right. Oh, wire won't come off. There we go. Right. Right. Where the bloody hell's that come from? Right. Obviously that's it, innit? But what's it? Where's it come from? There's no more. There ain't any more wires. Let's have a look at the other one, huh? Right, on the other side, that yellow goes to a black, so I'm assuming that is an earth. I'm just wondering if this yellow has something to do with this. There. No. Nothing to do with that. That had something to do with Owen at one time. So I don't know where it is. There's a blue. Right, where's this white one here? Where's that? I think that's it. Right, there's a white one here. There. That's it, innit? So I'll just shove it in and we'll see what happens. The crimp, yeah, it's not crimped properly. So I'll just turn it on and we'll have a shove there. Right. No, it's still not done. Still not done it. Oh dear. Unless it's not. I'm an idiot. Hey! Look at that! It's not connected up. It's working. Well, that's a strange setup, isn't it? Right, where the bloody hell's it gone now? Come on, where are you? As Ollie would say. Where are we? What's that? God, I'm a silly pillock. Right, I'm going to put this yellow wire here that I found and there's a crimp there, so we'll pop that back in there as a temporary thing, if you will. Right, then get this and put that back on. That's still in. Right, let's give it another bash, yeah? There we are. It's ready now. So it were a wire. Made a crack then. Right, I shall get this crimped up, put it all back together. That's it. Back to the MOT station tomorrow for a pass. Cool.